Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can add password in your WinRAR file. So friend, here you can see that this is my file, and whenever we want to extract something, this will ask you for the password. Okay, and if maybe you are going to open any file, then this will ask you a password. Okay, so in this tutorial I will share with you how you can add password WinRAR file. Okay, so friend, here we have this PDF file right now, and we want to add password into, so no one can access this file. Okay, so how we can do that? First thing first, we are going to open WinRAR software. So what we will do, simply type WinRAR, and this software is open now. Okay, so we are going to click on that PDF file first thing. So what we will do, simply going to add, and here we are going to browse that particular folder like this one. Okay, and then save. And here friend, you will get one option here. By this way you can easily rename that file. So this is protected PDF like this, and here we are going to add password like 123, then 123. Okay, and when you click over here, then this password you can see. Okay, and this is the encrypt file name. If you want to encrypt the file name, you can also click on it, so no one can see that file name. Okay, only files will showing, but file name will not showing. Okay, so we are going to click on it and then click on OK button, right? So this file with protected password. Okay, okay, so my file is converted into WinRAR file, which is available here, and we are going to click on that file and let's see. And friend, here you will see that no any file is showing, only password is showing. Okay, when I double click on it, then it will ask you for the password, and when I enter the password, then we click on OK, then you can see that my all files will show you over here. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily add password in your WinRAR file. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to say with you how you can protect your folder and files with WinRAR. And friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to protect folder and files by WinRAR. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.